Hello, Darren Marno here from Team Freedom. In this video, I'm going to show you a tour of the free training we have. When you put in your email, you're going to get access to the Team Freedom marketing training, and you're actually going to get thousands of dollars worth of value. I'm going to show you what that is. So we got step one, and you're going to join affiliate programs. And I'm going to be reorganizing this back office with tons of high ticket programs. One of my top programs is called Nexus Rewards. So you're going to click on the link, you're going to join, and this is a savings and cashback. It's also a travel, wholesale travel, and a whole bunch of other things. It's absolutely incredible. It's a very lucrative, only $10 a month program. So you're going to join that on step one. Okay, the next step after you join Nexus is you're going to get traffic. Now, when you click on this button here, it's going to take you to Leads Leap. Okay, I'm going to go and show you Leads Leap a little bit here. So inside of Leads Leap, you can post ads in here. So I've got all these ads going. You can get over 10 ads in here. Now, what is Leads Leap? Leads Leap is an email program. It is a page builder. You can build funnels with it and do all kinds of amazing things. So I'm going to make other videos, and it comes with the training inside of here. So this is an absolutely incredible program because you get to post ads, you get to create your marketing funnels, and you get email, and it's a list manager and a whole bunch of other things. So it's a really powerful tool. So including the bonus, I'm going to give you access to all kinds of videos here. When you go through all these different steps, okay, I'm going to show you how to create viral videos. I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel. And you watch each of these videos, I'm going to go through each of these trainings. I'm also going to include generating traffic, step 9 from Facebook groups. I'm going to include my bonuses right here. If you click on these 10 bonus marketing training memberships, this is very, very powerful. This is not PLR. This is not any low quality. This is very high quality. And when you join Nexus and when you start to join these programs, I will give you access to clone these pages so that you can use this for your affiliate marketing bonuses. Because what do the affiliate marketers have in common? Well, they offer bonuses. Now, this is not PLR. This is high quality content. And what is it? Well, this is a traffic generation. This is a membership site. Bonus number 1. Number 2 is Affiliates Profit Club. This is all by 7-figure marketers that put this together. Okay. And so that's bonus number 2 is Affiliate Profits Club. That's affiliate marketing training. eMarketers Club is bonus number 3. What you'll do is you'll click on and you'll claim your free memberships. So these are 5 of them right here. Membership Marketers Club and the Power Copy Club with your ad copy. And then you also have 5 more. So there's 10 of these incredible free bonus memberships, okay? Web Profits Club right here, you can see Wealth Upgrade Club, Success Upgrade, and Power Marketers Club, and the Product Profits Club. So these are just some of the bonuses that I give, and I'm going to be adding way more. I also give you life coaching advice in here. My wife is a world-class life coach, and we're going to be making this into Team Freedom. We're going to be building this up as we drive this forward. So some of the advice I want to give to business owners, one of the biggest things I see with business owners is they don't put anything into their ad budget, or they don't concentrate. 85% of your business needs to be, 85% of your time in your business needs to be spent on getting customers and getting leads and sales, okay? So if you're making X amount, you want to take at least 20% or more for your ad budget. So no matter how much you're making, this is the biggest mistake that any business owner makes, is they don't put anything into their lead generation, their customer generation, okay? So this system is going to show you how